So it says the perimeter of a rectangle is 42 meters. The length of the rectangle is 3 meters more than twice the width. Find the dimensions of the rectangle. Now, like we said before, anytime we don't have a shape, we're going to go ahead and draw it. In other words, they give us a scenario here where we've got a shape that's not drawn. Now I'm going to call this the width, and this the width, and this the length, and this the length. So our perimeter formula is the perimeter equals the length plus the width plus the length plus the width. And so your perimeter is 2W plus 2L. Right? Now, what do we know the perimeter is? 42 meters. So I can replace P with 42. 42 equals 2W plus 2L. Now that right there is scenario 1. Okay? But we've got a second scenario here. The length of the rectangle is 3 meters more than twice the width. Okay? So the length is 3 meters more than twice the what? The width. Okay? And so now what you have here is a system of equations. Okay? Now they've already told you that this is what the length equals. So the easiest thing to do would be to plug that in for what? L in the other equation, right? And so I've got 42 equals 2W plus 2 times 3 plus 2W. And all I did was I took 3 plus 2W, which is represented by L, and I plugged it in for L into the other equation. And so I'm going to distribute 2. So I have 42 equals 2W plus 6 plus 4W. All right, what's 2W plus 4W?
6W.
6W. So I got 42 equals 6W plus 6. And so what do I need to do now? Subtract 6 on both sides. So I have 6W equals 36. And so when you divide 6 on both sides, you get that W is 6. Okay? So I know that my width is 6. Okay? Now I need to know what my length is. Well, I can take that 6 and plug it in for W right there. And so I've got my length is 3 plus 2 times my width. Well, 2 times 6 is?
12.
And 12 plus 3 is?
15.
So I got that my length is 18? 15. Now, we need to check it. We know our perimeter is supposed to be 42 meters, right? So this length's also 15 and this width's also 6. So let's add them up. All right, we're saying if we went on a walk starting right here, our perimeter would be 6 plus 15, which is 21, plus 6 more, which is 27, plus 15 more, which does equal 42, doesn't it? And so we got the right answer. Okay, the perimeter does equal 42 when you have these dimensions.